So we changed the clutching a little bit. I put a higher stall spring. Cut these vents out to help with the cooling, which it did make a significant difference. Especially in this snow, we got like 24 inches of snow. We probably had a couple inches on the ground. It's settled over the last week. Maybe it's like 18 inches, 20 inches right now. And you saw it, it goes through it. Obviously not crazy fast. It could use a little bit more track speed, but for a little sled going through this snow, I'm pretty impressed. Temperature staying down a little bit. Clutch is pretty good. Still gonna play with a couple other things. I'm actually talking to one person that can actually make a new track and do an actual long track. These are only a 98-inch track, so maybe somewhere around like a 121 actually. But if anybody's got any suggestions, other places that does tracks, repairs like that, or can build a track for me with 2 tracks, let me know. Thank you.